this one's mine. This one's mine, Mommy.
I don't know. Does it have your name on it?
No. No, they don't say anything.
No, this one's baby, I think. Baby, is that all you care about? Is the candy cane?
This one's mine. This one's mine.
Yep, that one's yours. Open it.
Come here. No, Andrew. Come here, Missy. Megan. Andrew.
Down here.
Oh yeah, that's what I got. That's the best thing I got. I had to zoom in on my present.
Look, I
Hey!
What's that?
got. Sure.
Oh, Ethan, you got a shirt. Baby, what did you get? Open up the
Megan,
present.
Look at that.
Dude, that kid is so fat. That's all he cares about is the candy cane.
No, Bobo. No, Bobo.
This one's mine.
Look. You can open it.
Look at that. Hey. Oh, yeah. He's like, that's the best present I got.
Oh, you can open it. It's yours. Use this one, Bobo. Look at that.
Whoa, look, I got.
Wow, yeah.
Whoa,
Scooby-Doo,
Ethan.
huh?
I can open that one. Maybe this one's mine.
Yep, that one's yours.
What's that? Look, I got Transformer.
Who's that?
Transformer.
Wow.
Whoa, you can get Transformer.
I can open it.
You can.
Transformer.
That's yours too, bro. Daddy, open by accident.
Underwear.
Here, what's this? What did Grandma get you? What is that?
This one's mine.
What is that?
I can open every present. Look, I got.
Baby.
Wow, memory card. Boo-boo. Oh, sorry, boo. That's yours.
This one's mine.
Baby, you're so fat. Here, you want to hold that? There you go, you big fat. That's all that you...
This one.
You open, bug. That's yours too, bug.
Ah,
What is that? A scooter.
Scooter. How do you do it?
You ride it.
With your feet?
Ooh, Ethan, I think you're gonna love that one right there. That you have in your hand.
Huh?
Ethan's gonna love that one right there.
Egan?
Whoa! Look,
What is that?
SpongeBob.
No,
Is it
open it.
SpongeBob what?
Pick
Open
it up.
See what it is.
Pick it up.
Teddy bear.
Yeah, with the feet. You get your feet.
Yep.
This.
Now I can't open this one.
Wait, there's more. You gotta open more. Let's go get some more over there.
This one's mine.
Bacon.
This one's mine.
I think so, yeah.
That's all he cares about is the candy cane. He's like, I'm done.
Give me other ones there, man.
I got all my candy cane.
Now open this. Whoa,
Look what I sent you.
Whoa! What'd you get, Egan? Transformers.
Look at that, huh? You got the dinosaur shirt, huh, Bobo?
Look, I got 2 Transformers.
Oh, yeah, 3 Transformers.
Okay. There you go.
That one is for, yeah, him. And I think that one's for baby. Nope, it's the other way around.
There you go, that's yours.
I should have put some names on it.
Look at that! You got the dinosaur!
Look, I got.
Andrews!
Look, I got.
Put it up, Egan. Let me see. Wow, what is that?
Wow,
It's the reading thing, remember?
That's the
You
pen.
wanted the reading pen?
It's a reading pen.
And I got a scooter, Mommy.
Hey,
What?
got
Thank you, little dude.
scooter. You got your movie.
And I got my scooter, Mommy.
I know, I gotta put that together for you.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah. I can't open my transformer.
Okay.
I want the set.
Hey, you gonna open yours?
Huh? Mine is open.
You gotta open it.
I did.
I know, you cheater. You smell it yet?
Mm-hmm. No, I did.
Yeah. I got it for you because you stink.
How about yours?
Yeah. I can't wait for it to be open. Okay. Let's stop recording. Hey you. What do you got in your hand? You didn't even hold any of your presents. You just gonna hold those candy canes?
Where'd they go?
Hey. Hey, Chubby. Chunky Monkey.